Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts before starting the job. This is essential and takes under 5 minutes. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and place wheel chocks. Raise the car with a hydraulic jack and support it on 2 jack stands about 30 cm off the ground. Wear safety gloves and eye protection. Gather tools, 10 mm, 13 mm, 15 mm sockets, a ratchet and extension, a torque wrench, and a small pry bar. Keep a drain pan for any fluid drips. Remove any heat shield or intake components blocking access to the starter using a 13 mm socket or appropriate tool. Set parts aside. Label and disconnect the electrical connections. Main battery cable at the starter and the smaller solenoid wire. Use signage or tape. Support the starter with your free hand or a small jack, then remove the 2 mounting bolts with a 15 mm socket while preventing the unit from dropping. Once loose, lower the starter slowly. Unbolt ground and solenoid wires to avoid straining cables or damaging terminals. Position the new starter into the bell housing and hand thread both mounting bolts to ensure proper alignment. Do not force. Tighten the bolts evenly and torque them to 25 ft-lb, 34 Nm with a calibrated torque wrench. Reconnect the main battery cable and the solenoid wire, ensuring clean, snug terminals and no paint or corrosion between contacts. Reinstall any removed shields or intake parts, lower the vehicle from the jack stands, and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Test by starting the engine, listening for normal cranking and checking for electrical faults or unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.